Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and I do a lot of fashion related videos like online shopping hauls, street shopping videos and lookbooks and even beauty product reviews and all those things. So today's video is going to be a Ye3 haul. I hope that's how it's pronounced. I'll put the name here. Ya3 or Ye3. I'm not really sure how that's pronounced, but it is YEA3 and I'll put the name here. And it's an app. It's very similar to Club Factory. On the first look it looks pretty much the same. So it's an online shopping app and they do deliver all over the world, and they pretty much have very similar products like accessories, clothing, shoes and gadgets and kitchenware and all those things. And I got things worth 1500 rupees. So from the time I placed the order, it took about 2 weeks to get it delivered, and payment options are several. You can pay through like Paytm, PayPal and card and all that, and everything is priced pretty low already, but then they have some other options like VIP and special VIP and all that. So for the VIP thing, I think I paid around 39 rupees or 29 rupees. Everything was under discount. So if you're a VIP member, then you get discount on everything. So yeah, there were a couple of options. So I went for that. So this particular accessory here is 157 rupees. But if you're a VIP member, it's 110. And similarly, a wallet, which is 776, is 500 rupees. And their accessories also, it's the same, it's 200, and if you're a VIP member then it is for 140. So I thought it was a pretty good deal and it did not cost much, so I went ahead and got it. And then you just can scroll through and see all the products, add them and then purchase them. And there's also other things which make which say make money. So if you share the invite code with your friends and if they sign up and if they purchase, I guess you'll get credits. So that is pretty much it. So let me just show you guys everything. So I did not face any trouble with the delivery and there were no customs. I was not asked to pay any customs, and it was delivered in about 2 weeks, which I think is a pretty good deal when it comes to international websites. I think they came in 2 packages, so yeah, let me just show you everything. Firstly, I got this piece of bracelet. It looks very beautiful. It looked very nice on the app. I'll try to insert a screenshot of how it looks on the app so you can see whether it looks the same in person. And it has these rhinestones and hearts. It looks really pretty and it looks pretty much the same as the website. Now it's a little flimsy and it is sort of removable like this, so it expands and all that, but it does not look like it's of cheap quality. It looks really pretty. It looks very classy. You can totally wear it like next to your watch, even next to real jewelry. It wouldn't look fake at all. It looks very beautiful. I really like the quality. Looks damn nice. This one has to be a yay for me. And for all of the products, when you open the product, like when you click on the product, you can see the rating, so you can check the rating and reviews and purchase them. So this one was for 263 rupees, and since the quality is so good, I would say it is good for the price. But generally I think these sort of apps mostly have a lot of things for 150 or under that. So that way when you see it, it is a little expensive, but looking at how pretty it looks and you know how it looks like a good quality. Again, it's not heavy and all that, but it looks elegant. I got this curly scrunchie and you can make a top bun with it. Again, I'll try to insert a picture here. So when I put up a bun, like if you have thin hair like me, then your bun wouldn't look that big. So if you just want to do a bun hairstyle, then this is nice. It looks the same as a picture and it, you know, it'll work. Like the purpose is solved. And I'm not really sure about the price. I think it is a little expensive, but if I'm looking at it in the local market, I think I'll be paying pretty much the same or more, and I'll not find it maybe. Next up, I got this clip. It looks really cute, and I will not wear it and show you because this is for a niece of mine. It looks really cute. I'll insert a picture as to how it looks on the website. It has pearl and stone detailing, and it has this really cute satin kind of a detailing, and it will not pull out your hair because it's just a clip-on. It looks really pretty. Then I got a neck piece. As you can see, all this is nicely packed and all of them were in bubble wrap so that they don't get damaged. So this is the neck piece. It's just like a gold choker with this drop here, and here it has a moon. This one I really like the quality and it looks very beautiful. I'll insert a picture here. I don't think you will get a good look when I wear it on this particular jumper, but as you can see, it looks really beautiful. I really like the quality and the color. I think this lives up to the expectation totally. It has rhinestones here also, and this one is just for 143 rupees, and I don't think we'll find something like this at 143 rupees in our local markets or anywhere. So I think that's an amazing piece. Along with this bun, I thought I'll try out this. I thought I'll put these flowers around the bun. some video or some sort of a hairstyle thing. So these they look fine on the camera. I feel these are for 140 rupees, and for the price I think it's okay, but I really don't like the quality. I was expecting something better. It has like a black rubber band here and it has these flowers. I think when you wear it also it might look fine, but I was expecting bigger roses because in the picture on the app it looked like bigger roses. I think this one is a okayish product, so on 5 if I have to rate it I would give it a 3 because I was expecting bigger roses looking at the picture and the quality could have been better. But if the quality would have been better, even if I was paying 200, I would have been totally okay with that. Next up, I got this bracelet and it has a very different shape. It's a geometric shape and it's in rose gold color and looks exactly like what it shows on the website. Again, a very good bracelet, can be worn with watch or individually. And I think it looks very very pretty. This is priced at 145 rupees, and for 145 rupees I think this is a very good deal. I really like this. And then I ordered silver hoops. I do have like a bunch of hoops in gold color, like this one. It's from Forever 21. And I don't have anything in silver and I haven't purchased anything in a very long time. I used to have them in college. They're thin hoops, but in the picture it looked like they would be thicker. So I was expecting thicker hoops. And I think the quality is fine, but I think in the local market we'll get like basic silver hoops for 40-50 rupees or even lesser. However, this does have some texture and detailing. So those are the things that I ordered, and along with that it had a sticker saying free gift and they sent a bunch of things along with it, which I was not expecting at all. So that was a very good surprise, I would say. So this is the first one. It's a choker. It has like black lace and rose detailing. I will open it, but however I'll not wear it and show you guys because I'm going to keep it for a giveaway since I do have like a lot of chokers. So it's a choker. Oh, it's a bracelet. I'm so sorry. It's a bracelet. It's a rose and lace bracelet and has a ring here. And this is actually quite interesting. It looks quite nice. And then we have these earrings. It has rhinestones and these blue drops. They look quite nice. They're very pretty actually. And I think they would look really nice. And I'm going to keep this one also for a giveaway since I do have a lot of earrings. And then there's a silver bracelet. Let me just open it. So this is the silver bracelet and the quality looks fine. The design also looks good. It has some brownish marks on it, which I'm not sure if it is washable. Like if I clean it up, maybe it will go away. I'm not sure. But anyway, the bracelet, this is how it looks. And this is how it looks basically. You can wear it along with your other bracelet. And the last free gift is this one. It's a furry hairband. It looks really cute and it has these cat ears or bunny ears or whatever. And it's pink. It looks really cute. When you're wearing makeup, you can wear such things to keep your hair in place or when you're getting ready and all that. So this is really cute. It's such a nice one to include in a free gift, by the way. And I think I'm going to give this to my baby niece. So yeah, you can give it to your kids or any of your nieces and or neighbor's kid or friend's kid. I think they'll really enjoy this. That means they sent 4 free gifts along with all the accessories that I ordered. So I really think that's a very good surprise. And overall, I think the app is good. They have good quality ones. I think you can look at the rating and then purchase. The only one which I did not like and did not meet my expectation of quality is this. Silver bracelet was okay, but rest of them are really good. So I would definitely say try out the app and you can expect good ones. So overall, I think they have pretty good collection, but they do not have a lot of options to choose from. So they should definitely stock up more options, but I guess the app is new. I'm not really sure. I haven't seen many reviews on it. However, I would say check out 2-3 videos to see how the quality is when others receive them and all that, or what experience they had. So that is it for this video. I hope this was fun watching, and if you would like me to try out anything else which is new or any other websites or apps or any street shopping places, do leave them in the comments below. So I'll leave a link to the app in the description box, so do check it out in case you're interested in purchasing any of these things or anything else. If I find links, then I'll leave links as well. Otherwise, I'll just leave a link to the app and you can download it and check out the collection. So you can see my previous videos here somewhere, and I'll also leave my Instagram and other social media handles here. You can find me there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.